Hi friends, welcome to Madhumeeta Art Studio. Today we shall have our mini training in watercolors and I shall share with you how to make Christmas tree, the pine tree, the beautiful Christmas trees. I'll show you many different ways of making Christmas tree. You need a 300 GSM sheet which is fixed with a masking tape. Then you have a color palette. And of course a cup of tea, the brushes, the water and a cup of tea. So this is the first type of tree. You make inverted V's, inverted V's, inverted and curved V's. As you go down, it will become wider. Don't make very straight lines, rather give it a bit of, then it will look more natural, okay? As you move down, it will become wide. So this is your first Christmas tree. Sometimes I am using the belly, sometimes I am using the tip. Okay. The second is in the zigzag form. Zigzag. But as you move down, you move out, wider. And just relax. Imperfect is perfect here. Christmas tree can look any ways. So when you do the zigzag, see, I'm using the belly of the brush. Here I'm using the rigger brush. You can use round bodied. See the strokes? Just watch the strokes. The color is, of course, somewhere it will be dark, somewhere it will be light. Then we shall do another one with different colors. A beautiful Christmas tree. So, isn't it easy? Another way is draw a straight line. You can draw it like this. here you can use lots and lots of wet on wet. You can use different color techniques. I shall show you. I want the yellow to show through it. And keep on moving the brush. It should move a bit irregularly, you know. The leaves are like that. You can introduce different colors. We shall also be making a rainbow painting of Christmas tree. You use other colors. So this is the first Christmas tree. Now we have 5 Christmas trees. Now I'll show you another one. You can draw this one. These are all in wet on wet. Make the outline a bit irregular. Now I shall use all the colors, bright colors, starting from yellow to or we can start in the reverse way. This is violet, then blue, after blue, and in the end we shall make a simple Christmas tree. Now we are going to make the leaves like this. I'll make place for bells and balls, okay, and then we go like this. You can use 2-3 different green colors, forest green, sap green. Okay, you use this type of stroke, brush stroke, like stippling, you know, dash, dash, dash. Only thing that you should remember is as you move down, it is broader. The tree will be wide where it touches the ground, and it will be darker where it touches, because this is the shadow area. So now you cannot say you don't know. You can have such a variety of trees. You can all make, at least we can make on paper. And this is the time, festival time. So this is how you can make. Now I have shown you very simple, playful ways, very easy ways of making Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Which one do you like the best? Do tell me. Do share.